First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, milk, and egg, and some unsalted butter. Now, are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure? Begin by combining 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a large bowl. Mix them well until they're thoroughly combined. This dry mixture will serve as the foundation for your pancakes. Next, in a separate bowl, beat the egg lightly. Add in 1¼ cups of milk and 3 tablespoons of melted, unsalted butter. Give it a good whisk until everything is well blended. This is your wet mixture. Ab ata hai jadui pul gile mishran ko suke mishran mendadali eyes halke hat se milayin surf jabitik ata goljai dian den adik milan is a pancake thor hoskde hain arham yahan pul finis ki or badare hain to apne milani ko kam se kamerkan baiter ko kuch minton ke li aram karneden is a baking powder ko pratikriya karnekas my milta hai jo apke pancake ko vanchit pul fines denimen medid krega. Now, heat a lightly greased griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat. Scoop the batter onto the griddle using 1/4 cup for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until browned on the other side. And there you have it. Delicious, homemade fluffy pancakes. Top them with your favorite fruits, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dusting of powdered sugar. In summary, making fluffy pancakes at home is as easy as mixing together some basic ingredients, letting the batter rest to create air bubbles, and cooking them on a hot griddle. Don't forget to take your time and enjoy the process. After all, the joy of cooking is not just about the end result, but also about the journey. So next time the craving for fluffy pancakes strikes, remember, you have the recipe and the skills to whip up a batch right in your own kitchen.